The ability to envision and drive change is just as important as the ability to work with technology. Fortinet and Microsoft have been working together for years to enable modernization through securely migrating and building in Azure. FortiGateVM Next-Generation Firewall has you covered, no matter where you are on your journey. Increase your Azure network security while providing optimized and consistent end-user experiences. Centrally manage policies and gain advanced analytics. Traffic's covered from edge to cloud. With FortiGateVM, carry out zero-trust policies and protect against known and unknown threats, while gaining performance and resiliency with SD-WAN. Simply extend your security and reach even further with industry-leading threat intelligence. From migration to build, we've been protecting workloads for 25 years for hundreds of thousands of customers. Trust us to get you to what's next, with innovation leading the way.